How to fix missing microphone voice inputs on Android keyboard. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to fix missing microphone voice input on Android keyboard. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, let's open a particular messaging application to access our keyboard. Here you can easily find out that there is no voice input icon. So in order to access that and fix the issue, tap on the gear icon on your keyboard. Here you can see variety of options. Scroll down, navigate to voice typing and make sure that you turn on the button for use voice typing. Come back and when you see your keyboard, you can easily find out the voice input microphone has already appeared on our keyboard. Now you can easily select the microphone voice inputs icon and you can record any of your message using it and type it. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.